Hello from Texas. My name is Elliot. I'm an AI and automation consultant. I've helped business start up their automation processes. I recently got invited to this AI masterclass at Google in Austin. I've never been to their building before. It was a pretty awesome experience. The CEO of Walt Labs was there. His name is Eric. Super cool guy. Also, there was Jennifer from Site Impact, who recently sold her business for something like an insane amount of money that I'm not even sure that I'm supposed to say on this channel or in this video. But it was very nice to meet them. They had a lot to say about the coming wave of AI and automation. They're very optimistic about the job market, but they really showcased what they're offering as far as their own companies, but also what's happening within Google. And that was the whole point. And Walt Labs, as a partner, showcased the agent development kit, and it was amazing. It is a great tool. I'm gonna try and use a lot more of it and see what kind of cool applications I can come up with. But just a quick overview. One of the things that I like about it is that you're building locally on your environment, but you can also deploy and do everything that you need to within GCP. So after you build, it is pretty much ready for production. You can run it using Google's engine, agent, agent engine. That's hard to say. It is ready for deployment. It comes with its own UI. So I'm going to cover it superficially. Let's see what happens. So I have my VS Code here running. I like to use root code. I don't know where you guys feel about whatever you're using, Bolt, or if you're using, I know Google now has Firebase, which is a really good tool, but I'm sticking with root code for now. For one, it's free. You don't pay for a monthly fee, at least not for now, with this extension. So I'm gonna search for, I'm sorry, ADK, not SDK, ADK. We're gonna search for Google ADK, Agent Development Kit. Go into the quick start. It's asking us to set up the Google Cloud project. I already have a cloud project, so I just clicked on that. I'm going to click next, enable. So now that we've enabled the API and I have a folder created there, the next thing I'm going to do is initialize the CLI. It looks like I got an error. Okay, installation. Okay, so it's asking me to authenticate. Okay. I'm going to try and run this update again, see what happens, see if we get the same error. Okay, well, now we're going to create the Python environment. No, stop. Not root code. Here. Okay. Now let's start up the environment. Source, PowerShell. It looks like our environment is started. Now we're going to install the ADK. And then we're going to create the folder structure. I think I'm using PowerShell, so there is a different method of doing this. New items. So we're going to create we're going to make the directories. It looks like it made that there. And then we're going to make the new, oops. Actually, let's see what happens. We're going to make the new items. So it looks like it made the new items. And I think next on the environment on init.py, we're going to create the import for the agent. And then on the environment, we're just going to copy the simple retrieves the current weather report agent. Save that, control save. And now if I start the ADK, what? It should start up the UI. Here's the UI, and let's test it. I think this agent only has a tool for New York. Turn status report. What is the weather in New York? It's sunny with temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Gives me the events, the state, artifact. Huh. And that's it. A notable mention was Walt Labs. They look like they have a great team. I'm looking forward to maybe doing some work with them. It was very cool to see how much Jennifer attributed her success to Walt Lab. So her company's side impact looks like it's very successful also at what they do, which is return on investment. So here's side impact on LinkedIn. Check them out, and we'll see you next time.